Now let's design our next part. Our next part is the circular hopper. Let's create a sketch as per the dimension given. We have two circular sections. The radius of the outer section is 281.46 and the inner one is 279.46. Let's create a new sketch. Click OK. Now choose front plane and start sketching. Click circular and make a two circular section. And make the dimension 281.46. 281.46. This is diameter. This is diameter, and the dimension we are entering is radius. So if you multiply by 2, it will become the diameter. Okay. Similarly, make this dimension as 279.46. 279.46 multiply by 2. Okay. Click OK. Now click extrude boss and extrude it up to 100 mm. Press OK. Now we will create base of the circular section. Choose this section and start sketching. Normal to. Choose circle command and make circle up to the outer section. Okay. Okay. Now extrude up to 2 mm. Click OK. Now we will create this hole of diameter 20 mm. So choose this surface and start sketching. Make normal to. Choose circle command and make circle of 20 mm. Okay. Tab on feature and extrude cut. We'll keep the direction through all. Okay. Now we'll create this slot. We'll create this slot of dimension. Here you can see the dimension. Center to center distance is 30.34. Radius of 5 mm. Let's create. Choose top plane. Start sketching. Make normal to. Choose center line. Click on a straight slot. Make slot. Here we have center to center distance is 30.34 and radius 5. Make the dimension. It's 30.34 and radius is 5. Click OK. Okay. The slot is on the middle of this section. Choose center line. Now choose this and this line and make coincidence. Okay. Now exit from the 2D sketch and make the extrude cut. Here you can see. Choose the direction through all both. Click OK. Now we'll use circular pattern command to make rest of the two slotted section. Direction 1. Click on this edge. Feature. We will select this. We'll keep it 4. Click OK. Now you can see our slot is ready. Now we'll make this portion, this cutted portion, its dimension is 78.18. Let's choose right plane and start sketching. Make normal to. Choose corner rectangle and make a sketch. Its dimension is 78.18. and its distance is 110.4 mm from this slotted section. .4. Click OK. And extrude cut. Reverse the direction. Click OK. Sorry, I made a mistake. Double click on the sketch. Make this dimension let's do by another way. Choose line command and make a line from this point and trim the rest portion. Click OK. Let's check the dimension. It's 0.06. Make this dimension the same. .06. Okay. Exit from the 2D sketch and extrude cut. Select this sketch. Reverse the direction. Click OK. Now you can see sorry, we made a mistake. Click here and edit a sketch. Make normal too. You do one thing. Keep the display style as hidden line visible and choose the line command and start sketching from this point. Delete this dimension. Trim these portions. Click OK. Now make the display style as shadow with ease. Now extrude cut. Okay, now you can see our circular hopper is now ready.